Now we have to find the equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 10 through the external point 4 comma minus 2. Now, any tangent to the given circle is y is equal to mx plus root 10 1 plus m square. Now what is the equation of a circle? We are having x square plus y square is equal to root 10 whole square. Now given external point is 4 comma negative of 2. Now negative of 2 is equal to 4m plus under root 10 plus 1 plus m square. Negative of 2 plus 4m is equal to root 10 with 1 plus m square. Squaring both sides, 2 plus 4m whole square is equal to 10 with 1 plus m square. Now 4 plus 16m plus 16m square is equal to 10 plus 10m square. Now this becomes 6m square plus 16m minus 6 is equal to 0, or 2 with 3m minus 1 with m plus 3 is equal to 0. By factorization, m is equal to 1 by 3 and m is equal to negative of 3. Now when m is equal to 1 by 3, we are getting y is equal to 3x plus root 10 1 plus y is equal to 1 upon 3x, y is equal to 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 3 whole square, y is equal to 1 upon 3x plus 10 upon 3, and equation becomes x minus 3y is equal to 10. X minus 3y is equal to negative of 10. This is one of the equation. When m is equal to negative of 3, we are having m 1 by 3, m negative of 3, then y is equal to negative of 3x plus root 10 1 plus negative of 3 whole square, y is equal to 3x plus 10. required equations of tangents x minus 3y is equal to 10 and 3x plus y is equal to 10. Answer.